Right, time for an update. Excuse the madness and the mayhem. We're in between getting some paint down. So we've, I think since the last clip, I've done polishing, and we've laid some Mr. Surfacer Black down, such as, you know, the interior tub. Excuse the fingerprint steam mark. So yeah, that's all surfaced. You've got the windows with the door cards that are attached. Ignore the mucky glass, they'll get wiped down. What else we've done? Yeah, just everything's got a black base now. So for example, with the discs, I'm going to do the calipers. Not sure on the calipers yet. Maybe like a titanium gold, I think. And then I've got some carbon ceramic for the disc rotor, and then maybe like a bright aluminium for the hub. And then it's just, again, just got the surfacer down. I've got the spoiler. It's all ready to go. Nice and smooth. Just how we like it. Just how we like it. Yeah, I've got also what I've got here. Steering wheel. Looking forward to get that in zoom. Get it all detailed up now. I'm not going to use any decals. I'm just going to look at the decals, see what colours go where, and then just detail them up myself. And then the doors. So there's a few marks in the paintwork, but I'm not bothered. Got the trim on the window done. What else we got done? Oh yeah, the actual car body itself, all polished and trimmed up. Turn this torch off. See if we can get reflection. I used a liquid mask. Basically, I did a little bit of tape masking, but for the bulk of it, I just used liquid mask because I was being lazy. And time is of the essence. Time is of the essence. And when pulling it all off, I've rubbed it down with a cloth, and I've left a load of mucky marks in it. Look, there's a load of little fisheye crater bits. But I will be honest, I've dropped it a couple of times, unfortunately. But nevertheless, we've still got a hell of a shine. All thanks to that 2K from ProScale. As you can see, look, it's got... Yep, very good, very happy. Is it perfect? Far from it. Am I aiming for perfect? Absolutely not. I'm aiming to enjoy myself. So yeah, that's all the priming bit's done now. Got the air ducts on the bumpers done. I love how my camera's now. It's a bit messy. Needs a bit tidying up. And then I've got the back bumper. But then obviously all on the inside. I've got it all black. So that's a little update. Next, we're going to do the wheels. I've got the roll cage to do. Get that. I can see how much I can assemble before painting, so it's seamless. What else we got? Just a few little bits and bobs. But yeah, get a lot of bits there in white primer, and then go from there. Right, that's everything airbrushed. As you can tell, the messy airbrush station has gone, and this is all ready to be detailed and put together now. Really, this for the fuel cell, I taped off the edge and then just liquid masked around a lot of it. Quick and easy. Chrome on the lights. Always happy using chrome. But with the exhausts, it called out for titanium gold. So with titanium gold, I will black out the tips on the inner side. But I used Scale titanium gold. I've also used some of this. I used that on the fuel cell. We've used some carbon ceramic. We've used some antique gold. And for the first time, I've used a textured paint, textured black. So yeah, so that's the bright aluminium. That's the titanium gold. It's quite a nice tone. What else we got? So the discs, carbon ceramic rotors, aluminium hub, and then the antique gold caliper. Did that on all of them. For the first time, getting some proper use out of this display circle cutter. It's a fantastic piece of kit. I'll just add some photos of some bits I've done. That is a very handy tool to have. It's quite expensive, but makes things a lot easier. The wheels did mess up a little bit. I did try to use the circle cutter to make a mask to do the red and the blue. I wanted to do red one side, blue the other. And then I just touched them up with a bit of gold. Again, it's not the neatest, but at that sort of tiny level of detail, I struggle quite a bit. What else did we do? We did some liquid mask on the headlights. It was quite easy because there was kind of a bit of a lip. So it just pulled up inside the lip, and then I just laid some surfacer down. That's quite good. I'm quite happy with that. What we got here? A radiator, bright aluminium. Honestly, these Pro Scale metallic paints, they leave such good finish. Absolutely fantastic. This was titanium silver. Yeah, the tit gold and the tit silver, they look really good. Really nice finishes on all the metallics. What else we got? It's just mainly most of it's just surface of black. Yeah, there's not much detailed on this. Not even the wing mirrors. They're going to be carbon, but they can stay surface of black. I ain't doing them in carbon. And then the texture. The little centre console bit with the buttons, I actually masked that off. And then laid down some texture paint. First time using it, and oh my god, it's a game changer. Absolutely love it. The I don't know, particle, would you call it? I don't know. Pigments, fragments, whatever. The size of the texture is not oversized. It's quite a good scale, and I quite like how it's finished. Really happy with that. I've actually got some other colours to use in the future as well. Got some blue, red and yellow. So a massive thank you to Pro Scale Paints for sending those out for me to try. You can get those along with, you know, all these metallics, the textured, even if you was looking to get some colours, the 2K system, paint degrease, you know, cleaner, whatever. Don't forget, you can use my discount code and get yourself 5% off all Pro Scale paint products, from primers, golds, metallics, texture paints, colours, clear coats. Just get in touch with Paul and request a colour, and he will try his best to get hold of it for you. So yeah, don't forget, use that discount code, you save a few quid, everyone's a winner. And then for the roll cage, I went with fluorescent red. Looks quite orange though, but that's over a white base. And then for the bit of foam padding, again a bit of texture paint on that. And there we have it. So we've got a little bit of detailing to do on a little bit of detailing to do on the dashboard, and then we've got some detailing to do on the steering wheel. Let's get that into focus. Other bits of detailing, that's it really. A few decals, a few stickers, got some metal badges. So yeah, it's time to end this part of the video series and get ready for the next one for the full assembly. So thanks for watching all. Hope you've enjoyed the bits in between here and there, and then see you on the next one. Look after yourselves, all the best.